to another video. You will see that we're in Rhys's house.
Woo.
But this video is not in Rhys's house. We are still in...
Yeah, didn't tell me where. We're in San Antonio, Texas, everybody.
But the problem is, and this has affected quite a few of our San Antonio vlogs, is our hard drive crashed and everything was backed up except for some things that were duplicated on the phone that wasn't anywhere else. That was only on the hard drive. So we've lost a bit of phone footage. It hasn't affected anything too much except for the full rodeo Texas food vlog.
Awful. No barbecue.
We did Texas food with no barbecue and no Tex-Mex.
Tex-Mex, nothing. Ah.
So that was the main vlog it affected, but I think I cleared my phone halfway through the day we filmed this vlog, so there's no intro.
This is the intro.
This is our last day in San Antonio, and we're taking the dogs out, and we're just saying goodbye to them. So this video kicks off by us visiting
La Cantera,
which was a lovely mall that we loved.
Outdoors. It was brilliant, wasn't it?
So nice. You join us here when we get to La Cantera, taking the dogs around, and you will now see our final 24 hours with the dogs.
They were mental, though.
Yeah. They are sitting nice and calm despite a barking dog. Looks like we're going to be able to take them to Raising Cane's. How's the shopping trip gone?
Better towards success.
Nice.
Really good. When they were separated, literally 2 minutes, and she got a bit weird. That's about it.
Because Olive was good enough to go in the shop on Noble, but Kayla was a bit less predictable.
I reckon she'd be fine, but hard to risk.
Yeah.
Kayla.
Actually happy when she's in the car, but she hates getting in.
What do you say about this?
What? Why? Girl, why? Once she gets in, she usually just instantly plops down. Oh, not to that. There, look, she just plops, but she makes such a fuss about going in. And then this one loves the car. Full stop, loves it. And also because of her leg, she's always in the splits. Hey, I'd say that was a very successful trip with the puppies. They did really well. They made lots of friends. Everyone was saying how cute they are. We were going to take them out for dinner, but I think not because it's getting close to their bedtime. So we'll take them home, put them to bed, and then we'll pop out for some Raising Cane's. What's wrong?
It's 8:15, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's my bad. I thought it was 9.
This dog is literally just a baby. A human baby.
Just a baby. So cute.
Adorable.
She normally cuddles in as well.
She does. Adorable. We are at Raising Cane's for dinner. Good job we dropped the dogs back off because there's not an outdoor seating area from what I can see. This is mine. This is Rhys's.
So we're on the last walk with the dogs today. I think it's the last walk at least. Do you, Meg?
It depends if they make us do it tomorrow.
They may make us do it tomorrow, but yeah, this is our last, probably our last time walking the pups. And they've been a bit wild this morning, haven't they, Megan?
Very wild.
Yeah, they've just been a bit restless, so yeah, the walk is well needed for them.
We have so many jobs to do different to usually when you like leave an Airbnb and things because we've been house sitting. So we have to make sure the house is perfect. First job is I'm currently doing the packing. I'm packing for both of us because there's other jobs I'd rather not do. So if I say I'll pack for both of us, then Rhys will. What job is it? I want to empty the dishwasher. Packing complete. We're taking the dog. Woohoo! Surprise!
So it's the last night with the pups, with Olive and Caper, and it's their last bedtime. So we gotta get them in. It's been amazing, but this is gonna be so sad. I'm feeling so sad at the minute that we're gonna leave them. But we've got an amazing another month and a bit ready. and waiting. So let's send him to bed. Come on, Olive. Come on, Caper. Olive, there she is. Hello. Is it time for bed? Come on then, let's go. Good girl. And here is Caper. Okay, guys, you know what time it is? You know what time it is? It's bedtime. Come on, let's go. Come on, guys, let's go. Good girls. Who's going and who's going where?
You're not going there.
Olive, you going in here? Good girl, Olive. Caper, you coming in? Yeah, in here. She doesn't want to go in.
What's happened?
We've left the puppies. They're gone. But we've replaced them with a beaver. Buckies, everybody. Let's
Rhys
go and
has been
explore.
so excited for this.
Oh yeah, I have. It's just a service station, but it's been hyped up in the mythology of Texas.
In Texas lore.
In Texas lore, in the South lore, that we just need to go and explore. Let's go.
It's actually so early. We left the set. What are you doing? We left the set at 7:30 because awkward. Don't want to outstay your welcome, so yeah. What is it? Oh, are they gluten free? Should we try them? Off he goes. Welcome to Bucky's. I mean, it's huge.
This is just a gas station, a service station.
Yeah, but it's. Have you been
Look
in
at
a
all the
gas
jerky.
station this big?
No, that's what I
Oh,
mean.
yeah.
Like, it's only that, but look at it.
They have lots of merch going on. Bucky's throw, and then a Halloween throw for Bucky's. All these Bucky's seasoning.
Well, you're not on the thingy.
Oh, sorry. So many ways to customize your coffee. Well, that's cool. Free drinks. Or you could get something for breakfast. Beaver sauce. Oh my goodness, this is a whole merch section.
You're a GM, you're on 175k plus.
What? That's insane.
Of a grocery store. Oh, you've been recording the whole time.
Not the whole time. We have these beaver nuggets, which you say they're known for.
They're known for their beaver nuggets.
Let's try. I'm so tired.
Oh wow.
It's a Whopper. This is the cinnamon sweet flavor.
Cinnamon sweet.
It's nice. I don't know how to describe it. I've read the thing. It's a corn puff.
That's what I was just about to say. It's like,
So it's not popcorn.
you know the cereal? They're like corn puffs basically. What are they called?
Golden nuggets.
Gold nuggets. It's like a golden nugget.
It's like golden nuggets with like a crisp.
Mm.
What drink did you get? Do you want to try your drink?
Yeah, with a cinnamon caramel coating.
Yeah.
Like, this is a cherry lime pure cane soda.
Yeah, that's to share. Is it Bucky's own?
Oh, it is nice. No, you do like that. You're such a little liar. You'll be
I
drinking...
hate lime.
No, you don't.
I only like key lime pie.
No, you don't.
I don't like lime as a flavor.
You like 7-Up. Okay, now we're going to Austin.
Let's go check out Austin. I think the problem is when you're in the UK, if you were to visit a city, you can just, well, parking would be the main issue, but you could just like pull into the city and walk around, say Manchester, Liverpool, London. You just start somewhere and then the city's at your fingertips.
It's walkable, isn't it?
It's walkable. Yeah. However, here, we don't know about Austin. Doesn't doesn't, I don't know. So instead, we had to look for things around here, and we like Ryan Trahan, and he came to a cool looking lake in Austin. So that's what we've tried to find. Here we are. There's shoes hanging over the telephone wires, and yeah, we're not really sure what to do. But should we check it out here? You're not getting out the car.
I do not feel safe.
You're such a wuss. You're such a wuss. It's gonna be better than Wrexham.
You see that guy?
What guy? The guy going for a run. Oh, the guy scratching his belly button.
Well, we're gonna follow these two.
Oh, they're old. See, look, this is a family place. The grandparents coming in with a bike to go for a bike ride. We're not gonna, oh my gosh. Rhys is successfully out of the car. See, this is looking fun. We can go get our swimsuits out of the car, maybe.
What do you want to take to go on a plane today?
So they can go in a carrier bag.
And the way it's down, we're
so
already...
you know Rhys is a diva.
It's not logical.
This looks like such a fun pool. It's a spring. And it's so blue.
It's very blue. But it's closed until further notice.
Apparently, except he's in it. And then in here, there's like a little different swimming bit. This is a specific area to support salamanders. So over there is like the spring that is like cordoned off for safe swimming. It's fine. And then this is the creek area, which runs down. And this is for swim at your own risk, but it's free.
So much brighter now, and the moonlight glows like fire now. All the years come up and go. All the seeds we planted still show. And you know I won't let go.
We've come to this shopping place called the Domain, and it looks kind of like, it's like an outdoor mall, but it kind of has the vibes of a town. Like it's laid out like a town. So we're gonna go explore and see what it's like. We are currently now on our way to the airport. We went to Whole Foods for lunch, and then we had a look. Oh, and then we went to Starbucks. I discovered a new drink, pumpkin spice chai, delicious. Then we went to PGA Superstore for Rhys, and now we are heading to the airport. And boy, are we are heading for a lot of fines. I feel like, because we're late dropping off the car, only by 7 minutes. But we also, our bag is overweight. This feels like a cursed travel day because our flight was also cancelled and rescheduled, which means there's now a layover, and we're also not getting in until midnight. So if we get 2 fines on top of that, it's just gonna all add up.
We're gonna have to cry and say, please.
We'll cry a little bit, yeah.
Happy?
No,
That's not how it goes.
that's not right.
Not at all.
None of the sides are sticky. Oh, that's
the
the
wrong
sticky
thing,
side. Oh, that's for the passport.
That's for the passport.
So we actually arrived at the airport at, what was it, 20 past 4? Something like that. It is now 20 to 7. And we've really just sat around doing nothing. But then also we've had to change terminal. Then we had to wait for the check-in to open so we could check our bag, and then through security, and Meg got a $20 salad that is pre-packaged.
That's what?
Pre-packaged. $20, worth it?
No comment.
And now we're off to another state. I'm not sure if we get to take it off all 50 states.
No.
I don't think we should, but there we go. We're off to Denver in Colorado. This terminal is the South Terminal. There is nothing here apart from one little shop and a food truck that's not open. It's called the South Terminal, and it is absolutely dead. There's nothing here.
How many flights leave?
one flight a day from this terminal, and
If that.
if that, because I think it's only on a Tuesday and a Wednesday. They said, isn't it? Yeah. So it reminds me a lot of Langkawi,
Yeah.
the airport, but a lot smaller than Langkawi. And
Remember, there was Bath and Body Works in
there was Bath and Body Works. There was a KFC. There was, and yeah. So it is pretty poor.
I think this is by far the smallest airport I've ever been in.
Yeah, I think so too. Even the one in Sucre, that
Yeah.
still had like 3 or 4 gates,
Yeah.
didn't it?
Yeah. The main terminal in Austin had so much food. So much food.
So much food, so many gates, so many different things. They had live music. We went through last time and we were like, whoa, this is great. And then we were excited to actually come to the airport and we're like, yeah, this is going to be great. And then, well, never mind. We'll see you in Denver and hope we can make our 30 connection.
Hey, Rhys.
Let's go to
Let me welcome you to harvest. Would you mind if we got started? 'Cause I see
We are now in Denver, Colorado for our layover.
Mile High.
Yeah, it's called the Mile High City. Not sure why.
Because it's a mile high.
Oh, I see. Interesting.
play. And I will tell you something that I figured out the hard way. Heaven knows I do find a peace. Paradise hidden in the weeds. But
Yes.
just
Nutritioning.
love that no one can take away. It's a little more to every day. When I just realize the cold gets in your jacket.
We have made it
Sometimes you
to
just hear
Las
stab.
Vegas.
It doesn't mean you gotta
currently
change.
past, wow, okay. It's currently past midnight in Pornville, and we are looking to get our Uber to our hotel, which is going to be next week's video.
See you next time.
It reminds you from where